In today's global maritime industry, success is a journey across cultures. But how well prepared are you to navigate the complex waters of cross-cultural management? In collaboration with the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association, the Crash Seminar in Cross-Cultural Management for Ship Suppliers is exclusively designed to empower you with essential knowledge and skills to thrive in the global ship supply industry. Are you a ship supplier or involved in maritime procurement, looking to navigate the choppy waters of international business? Do you strive to enhance your skills in managing diverse teams and organizations across borders? Look no further. Welcome to the Crash Course in Cross-Cultural Management for Ship Suppliers. Join the global community of successful ship suppliers and managers. Enroll today and set sail towards a world of opportunities. In this exclusive International Ship Suppliers and Services Association training, we're diving deep into the world of cross-cultural management. Now, more than ever, as our world becomes increasingly interconnected, the ability to manage employees and teams across diverse national cultures is a skill that no ship supplier can afford to overlook. Our course explores the fascinating realm of culturally diverse organizations and teams. We will delve into the impact of national and subcultures on the very essence of management within the shipping industry. Why the cross-cultural communication are important? In international business, the tapestry of success is woven with threads of understanding, respect, and adaptation to the rich diversity of global cultures. Our comprehensive course covers an array of critical topics, all condensed into 4 insightful sessions. Session 1: Introduction to Cross-Cultural Management. We dive into the heart of cross-cultural management, and you gain an understanding of why cross-cultural management is vital in today's globalized world. You will understand why it's vital for maritime and ship suppliers, explore the impact of globalization on cultural diversity, and learn from global companies' mistakes. Session 2, Cultural Frameworks, is all about cultural frameworks. We explore a range of cultural conceptions and relevant management frameworks. Discover Gert Hofstadter's framework, uncover the key dimensions like uncertainty avoidance and power distance, and understand the limitations and criticism of this powerful tool. Session 3, The Globe Study and Leadership, takes you into the world of the Globe Study and leadership. Understand the 7 dimensions of the framework, the connection between leadership styles and culture, and how culture shapes perceptions of great leaders. Session 4, Reflection and Case Study Exercise. It's your turn. Reflect on your learnings and your cultural shifts, dive deep into a captivating case study, and provide recommendations based on your newfound insights. Dr. Magdalena Langisch, your instructor, is a highly accomplished professional with a wealth of expertise in the field. She's here to guide you every step of the way. Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs. Start your learning journey anytime, from anywhere. Tailor the course duration to your preferences. Our Crash Course seminar takes approximately 4 hours, offering knowledge at your own pace. Enjoy a generous 3-month window for course access from the moment you register. This course is open to anyone interested in specialized shipping topics, regardless of your background or experience. We welcome all knowledge seekers, regardless of educational background or experience. Whether you're new to the industry or you have years of experience, this course offers valuable insights. Complete the course successfully and earn a certification of attendance from the World Maritime Academy and the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. Enroll today and set sail on a course that'll steer you towards success in the dynamic world of ship supplies. Unleash your potential and conquer the seas of cross-cultural management. Maritime trade knows no boundaries, and in its currents, cultures converge, ideas flourish, and understanding deepens. The best part? Our course offers flexibility with self-paced learning, featuring pre-recorded seminars, knowledge check quizzes, additional resources, accessible course instructors, a dedicated forum for discussion, and reliable course administrators. So, are you ready to explore the world of ship supplying with us? Your journey begins right here. Join us in this enlightening journey.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com. www.maritime.com.